Namaste again. It's a beautiful day to make a salad. Come to think of it, it's never really a bad time to have a salad. We make quite a few different kinds of salads in India, but probably the most popular is the Kachumbar. So the Kachumbar is a very simple salad without too many ingredients, so maybe just some red onion, some cucumber, some tomatoes, and just with a bit of salt and pepper. So we thought we'd share a version of the kachumbar that is a bit interesting and also one that pairs really well with barbecue style dishes. We made the mushroom tikka as part of our New Delhi regional cooking event that we held in collaboration with the Embassy of India to Finland and Estonia. So we thought we'd pair that with this really nice green apple kachumbar. So let me quickly run you through the ingredients for this salad. So you can have maybe a medium green apple sliced fine or any way that you'd like it. We have about maybe half a large cucumber that's been cut this way. Of course, we've done kind of like a matchstick dice, but you can do any kind of cut. Basically, it's just about getting the veggies together. We have some red onion because red onion is probably the spiciest onion in that sense, and it has a bit more character and flavor, so use any onion that you have on hand, and this pairs really well with this kind of salad. We have some mixed salad veggies here, so I have some purple cabbage, I have a little bit of carrot, and I have a few salad leaves. So just to make it a bit interesting, to make it a bit colorful, to diversify the salad in a way and to make it less monotonous, right? And we're going to flavor this with very few ingredients. So the juice of about one small lime. So we have some lime juice here, and we have some coriander to garnish things, some fresh coriander, and just a bit of salt and pepper to taste. And we may use a bit of sweetener to balance the flavors because the green apples can be sour, and since the lemon juice already makes things sour, so we kind of want to balance flavors. Of course, this is just a base recipe. You can go on and add different flavors to this, but let's get started. So I'm gonna start by adding the salad veggies into a bowl. Okay, so the salad veggies look beautiful on their own. It already looks like a salad, but we're not done yet. So I'll add a bit of the onion in, break them up. Okay, so if you like onions, obviously add more. If you don't, then probably add lesser. So it gives a nice crunch, and of course it gives the kick that onions normally have. Okay, so I've added some onion. I'll add in the cucumber as well. Don't need to add everything. And if you're afraid that the salad is going to get a bit wet because the cucumber leaves water, then add a bit, or just keep them separately if you're carrying this for lunch or something like that. Okay, so I'm adding enough cucumber because we're going to eat this very soon. And I'm going to add in the green apples. So add as many, keep some maybe for garnish just to make it look nice towards the end. So we've basically got most of our veggies in and our fruit in as well. So just drizzle the lime juice on top. So the lime juice also keeps things fresh. And what I'm going to do is not just use regular salt. So regular salt works quite well, so just add a bit to taste. But just to make things a bit more interesting, I'm going to use some black salt, uh, which is quite readily available in many supermarkets and specialty stores now. So this kind of gives like the street style, the chaat style flavor, which is such a common taste on the streets of Delhi. So I'm just going to add some black salt to give it a very distinctive flavor. So I'm adding about, say, half a teaspoon, but you can obviously omit this. This is optional. A crack of black pepper. So I have my pepper mill here. So for the little bit of heat, right? And I've already added the salt. And like I said, we traditionally would not use a sweetener, but you know, the sweet and sour taste is quite interesting. So I'm just going to add in a bit of date syrup. You can add anything you'd like. Okay, so just to give it a rounded flavor, and that's going to give it a bit of color as well. Okay, so we're just going to mix this, and sorry, I forgot the fresh coriander, so I'm just going to add some with my clean hands. So just to give it a bit of freshness. Yeah. So let's get mixing. So let the lime juice seep through, right? Let all the flavors marry together well, and this is going to be a fantastic salad. This keeps well, especially because it has lime juice, it has salt. The veggies may lose water depending on what kinds of veggies you put in, but if you eat it fresh, it really goes well with any kind of summer barbecue. So this is a nice summery salad. So I think we should go in for a bit of a taste. So let me see how the flavors have come through. Get a nice big chunk. Got beautiful flavors. You can taste the lime, you can taste the fresh coriander. Of course, I can taste the apples and the sweetness. Sweetness makes a difference. It makes the salad edible on its own as well, and especially if you're eating it with something spicy. This will go really well. Okay, so that's the salad done. So we'll plate it up and make the salad. It's really simple. It's probably not even 5 to 10 minutes worth of work, and you can eat this on its own and pretty enjoyable. So I hope you make this green apple kachumbar really soon. So thank you for listening to us, and we hope that you like this recipe and that you share it with your friends and with your family, and please subscribe to our channel, and please find us on Facebook at Triptin Keittiö, and please find us on Instagram as well at plant-based Tripti. So thank you for watching.